Here we go again. As I said, been in the pan, been in for about 9-10 hours now soaking, so all I'm doing this time, turn the hot water on, I want the cold water, age thing. Just going to drain it off again. So it's been, as I said, it's been soaking about 10 hours. Doesn't matter, soak it 6 hours is enough, it's just I forgot. All I do again, just rinse it through, strain it off again. Just strain it off. Just let it strain the water off. So again, just strain the water off. Let it all strain into the pan. About 5 minutes, and then what I do after it's all strained off, I'll just do this quickly. I'm going to put it back and strain it. I just pour it into this pan and leave it just like that, just soak like that. I'll leave that now, as you can see, and I'll just stick it back, just back on the top there, so, and leave it there till tomorrow now, and then I'll show you what I do tomorrow.